Hello guys, this is Nick from HF Survival School. Thank you for joining me. Today I want to show you my bushcraft belt, but first let's start the fire. So today I'll be making the one stick fire. My friend Doug from Flinders Adventures is making an awesome knife giveaway. He is giving away one of his custom made knives, and there are a few things what you need to do, and one of them is to make a one stick fire. You have to take one stick and turn this stick into your tinder, your kindling and your fuel. So this will be my fuel. I will use this to make feather sticks. I have some small twigs which I took off from the stick. And now I will make pencil thickness kindling. So I think that should be enough. So here's my one stick fire, which is one of the few things you have to do to take part in his giveaway. Doug has made a new Bushcraft forum, which I will include link down in the description. You should check it out. And I think you will still have time to take part in this giveaway. So now let's go and look at my bush belt. So first of all, there is a knife. This is my second project, which I have actually stitched. Before that I had only rivets, but then I start to stitch. My knife is the more heavy duty. I really love this knife. It is a great badass knife. The sheath is a dangler style, here as you see. I wanted to make the welt inside the stitches, but I totally forgot that. It was a little bit beautiful when I made it, but after some use it got a little bit dirty and it doesn't look as good as it was. Then is my ferro rod. I have made this belt loop for my ferro rod. This ferro rod was sent by my friend Andy from the United Kingdom. I have made the handle by myself. It is a horn beam, if I remember it correct. I have added some cordage and I have burned it a little bit so that it looks better. Then is my axe. I have made this belt loop for my axe. This was actually the first project that I have made from leather. As you see, it doesn't look very great, but who cares as long as it works. Then I have made this leather sheath for my Husqvarna hatchet. This was the second project I have made and I really like it, it works great. So then is the flint and steel kit. I have not made this sheath, it was sent to me. It is a really high quality sheath. As you see, it has pockets inside for your steel and for the tin of your char cloth. And you have this big place to put your flint and some jute twine. I really like it. It has a belt loop on the back side. It is hand stitched. I will include link to all of the gear which I mentioned, which I can find down in the description, so you should check them out. I got this flint and steel kit from flintandsteel.com. So next is my water bottle pouch. I have made it some time ago. Then I couldn't stitch, so I used rivets. And this on this side, it has a lanyard. And it is made in a way that you can actually make it a little bit bigger so that bigger bottles can go in it. And it has a belt loop. The water bottle I'm using is made by Sig. It is made in Switzerland, as you see, Swiss made. And I'm thinking to change this in a clean canteen stainless steel water bottle. And I think I will change it soon. So next is my Baco Laplander sheath. This was the first project that I have stitched. It has a dangler sheath and it has some snaps so that you can take it off your belt without taking off your belt entirely. I really wanted to make this sheath for my saw and I think it came out not bad. I tried to wet mold this sheath. It didn't quite came out the way I wanted, but it is not bad. I really like it. And as you see, when you put the saw inside, it has a little kind of snap action. So I think over time it will be better and better. And last but not least, I have this pouch, which I think is from Russian military surplus. As you see, I don't have anything inside at this time. It has these rings on both sides, so you could actually hang it. But I have made these holes, put some rivets, so that I could put this on my belt. It had 4 holes on this side, so I wanted to cover up with something. So I put a small piece of leather and this small bear hide. So of course I don't always carry all of this gear at the same time. For example, if I have my ferro rod, I won't take my flint and steel kit. And if I have this, I won't take this. Also, I don't always carry my axe, but I think I always carry my knife and my saw. So guys, I think that will be all for today. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and you will help me very much by sharing this video on your social media. As I said, I will include links to all of the gear which I have, which I can find down in the description. And I will also put the link of Doug's forum, the Bushcraft trading post. It is a great place and you should definitely check it out. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.